Create custom product. Hub and manual push licenses have the ability to create a custom product on any customer's account. This product can then be reordered by the customer using the same artwork or new artwork. To add a product, click on the customer's name and go to the View Contact page. Then click the Create Custom Order button. You must first verify or input the billing information and shipping information for the customer. Then click Proceed to Next Step. Please note that if the information is not filled in for billing and shipping, you will not be able to proceed. Next step is select payment type. If you select credit card, you'll have the option to select Pay Later or Pay Now. If you select Pay Later, the order will go in as pending status. Next step is to name the job. The best practice is to ask the client what the project name is so they can recognize it later. You'll then have the option to copy from an existing product or create a new product. If you create a new product, you'll be able to select from pre-existing product names or create your own. If you create your own, you'll just type in the name of the product that you'd like. And then you'll select the product type. For advanced users, you'll have the ability to insert a new product type. If the product requires special attention, you would select Action Required. If it requires graphic design services, you would check this box. You would then input the size and the quantity, and then begin to insert your options. When inserting options, you can select from pre-existing options or add your own. Please note, do not create multiple options for the same thing. Please make sure the option you need is not already created before creating a new option. We recommend, when possible, to copy from an existing product. To copy from an existing product, you'll first select the product type, the category, the product size that closest matches the product that you would like to create, and then the quantity. Then click Copy, and this will pre-populate all of the options for you. When selecting options, if you utilize the options with asterisks, it'll preload all of the prices and turnaround. That means the option was on the product that you copied from. If you use options that do not have asterisks, you'll then need to plug in any prices or turnaround that's relevant. You have the ability to remove any option that you choose or create completely customized options, such as this. Do remember, though, not to create new options for things that are already created. We're going to skip ahead here to a product that's already been created and all of the building blocks have been selected, just to make it more time efficient. So we see all of the prices have been inputted, all of the different values for all of the different options. We also see the size has been changed. We have our cutoff time, our production time. Then we also have turnaround time added for different options. So different things are going to extend and make things run longer, adding tabs, doing folds, all of these things will extend the estimated completion time that the customer is given. Once all of our options are put in, the next thing we'll need to do is add our boxes. Since we copied from a product, one box will already be on, but we increased the size, so this will likely increase the weight and number of boxes. You can copy from the existing box and then customize, or customize the existing box on the order. You'll then select your production method, whether it's in-house, in-house with layout, or outsourced. If there's special instructions needed for the job, they'll be inputted here. You can reduce costs by adding a discount, also by adding a credit to the account, so you can reduce by dollar amount or by percentage. You also have the ability to increase it by a percentage by adding a convenience fee. So we see our grand total here changes with those options. The last thing that will be needed is to add our shipping method, which will also add the shipping costs to the job as well as populate into the grand total. And then once everything is completed, you'll click Create Custom Order. We see this job did go in as pending. If we then log in as the customer and visit their order history, we'll see the job that we just put in. This will allow them to upload any files, pay any balances owed. They also have the ability to reorder this job whenever they'd like. When reordering, they'll have the option to use the same artwork and the same job name, or add a new job name, new artwork, as well as change the shipping method that was selected previously. There is no limit to the number of custom products that can be created on a customer's account. Please see other videos for converting existing jobs and quotes into custom products.